According to National Electrical Code Article 334, NM, non-metallic sheathed cable, commonly referred to as Romex, is generally permitted for use in finished areas of a building. However, there are exceptions that may apply in certain circumstances. Condominiums are considered multi-family dwellings under the National Electrical Code. The ground floor is not considered a finished area as it is accessible to non-occupants, for example, visitors or contractors. Therefore, it is generally not permitted to run an NM cable on the ground floor of a multi-family dwelling except in the following cases: firstly, within a conduit; secondly, concealed within a wall, ceiling, or floor; or thirdly, running along the surface of a wall, ceiling, or floor, but only in unfinished areas or in areas where exposed NM cable is permitted by other sections of the National Electrical Code. VX armored cable or conduit provides additional protection against physical damage and can be used in areas where an NM cable is not permitted. However, it is typically more expensive and time-consuming to install. Running NM cable along brick is generally not a violation, but it may depend on the specific installation and the inspector's interpretation. It is always best to follow the National Electrical Code guidelines and consult with a licensed electrician to ensure a code-compliant installation. The confusion arises because different restrictions apply to different floor levels of a dwelling and the building construction type. For example, an NM cable may be permitted on upper floors of a single-family dwelling but not on the ground floor of a multi-family dwelling. Based on the information, it is likely not code compliant to run an NM cable from an existing outlet to a new outlet on the ground floor of a condo building without using conduit. To ensure a safe and code compliant installation, it is recommended to use BX or conduit.